Sounds like the concrete's going to be happening, and we've got a beautiful sunrise. Mammotus clouds over there. Let's go and check out what's happening on site. All the steel mesh and plastic arrived yesterday, as well as the termite guy. So the site has been sprayed, and the trench mesh is put down. It was a very busy day yesterday, and so today they're ready for this slab with the concrete pump. They'll have lots of guys working with the pump and obviously spreading out the concrete. It's going to be a busy day for them. Fantastic. Big day ahead. The weather looks good. I think they're going to do well. Oh, the concrete is being poured. 6:30 in the morning. They're up bright and early, making all sorts of noise. And well, the concrete's not quite being poured, but it's getting ready. Huge pump. Action stations. Looks like they've got a busy day ahead. What do you think of that, Jenny?
Fantastic.
Praying mantis on top of our house.
Yep. Oh, okay.
Now, at the end of the day, check it out. It is all done. About 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and they are finished. They've gone home. Had the helicopter on there, finishing off the top surface. And look at that beautiful job. That is going to be 2 units. There'll be a division down the middle here, just right there. And that'll be number 3 and number 4. And it's all done. Done and dusted. What a big day that has been. Wow. Great to see it happening. Won't be long before they start the framing.